Welcome to the course on how to use the detail page. What is the detail page? The detail page is the dedicated page for each product on Amazon. It has complete information about the product including price, description, rating and reviews, return options and other details. Why is it important? When the customer buys a product at a physical store, they can see the product, touch and feel it, and then decide. In online shopping, there is a way to showcase the product so that the customer gets a similar experience to seeing it in person. This is what the detail page can help you do. Be it images, option to see any angle and zoom in, size or color options, or warranty details, it's all here. By the end of this course, you should be able to know all the key points available on the detail page. Use the points on the detail page to give the customer complete information on a product. There are three main parts of the detail page: basic information, product details, and ratings and reviews. First, we'll see the basic information available on a detail page. Product images. These are all the images that are used to highlight the visual aspects of the product. For example, how it looks from the front, back, or sides. A customer can see product from every angle using this. Pricing. This shows the original price of the product and the final price after discount, if any. It also highlights the amount the customer has saved through the discount. Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA. This indicates whether the product is an FBA product. FBA products are stored, packed, and dispatched by Amazon. The customer can track the order at any given point. All customer service is handled by Amazon, and the products are eligible for free replacements. Hence, it is the best experience for the customer. Please note, as an Amazon Easy Store, you must ensure that any product the customer selects and orders is an FBA product. Payment options. This shows all the payment options available for a customer. By default, all products can be ordered by paying at the time of order placement. Only if Pay on Delivery is mentioned here, the customer can pay cash on receiving the product. EMI. This option is currently not available to customers purchasing at the Amazon Easy Store. Exchange. For certain products and PIN codes, the customer may have the option to exchange their old product and get a discount on the new product. Delivery details. Here, you can check if the product can be delivered to the customer's PIN code and show him the estimated delivery time. Product variants. Here, a customer can see the variations of the products, if any, in terms of size, color, etc. Returns. Some detail pages state if the product can be returned through refund or replacement and what the time frame is. Tip: giving complete information to your customer on the delivery time, warranty, return options, etc. at the time of selecting the product ensures that your customer makes an informed decision and has a good experience at your store. Product details. Product details are summarized right below the basic information section, and details are given in a separate section. This is the product details summary below the basic information section. Here, in a separate section, all technical specifications of the product are listed. In this case, the product is a mobile phone, and the customer can see details on the operating system, RAM, dimensions, battery power rating, and the camera features, to name a few. The product warranty details are also mentioned here. Product rating and reviews. They tell a customer how the other customers have found the product. There is a summary given near the basic information section and a detailed section on customer reviews below on the page. A higher star rating will point to a good product and a lower star rating will point to a not so good product. You can also look at customer reviews, number of customers who have given a review, and see reviews by topic such as display, budget, etc. Some products may also have additional details given by the brand. The amount of information given can vary from one detail page to another. For example, let's see the detail page of a shirt, the detail page of a makeup product. Here, there is an additional section on information given by the brand. Now you have seen how detail pages can vary depending on the product. After you and the customer have looked through the detail page and selected the product, you can initiate the order process. Make sure you check the following first. The product is an FBA or Fulfilled by Amazon product. The product can be delivered to the customer's PIN code. The payment option is what the customer wants. Add to cart. Once you have checked these details, you can click on Add to Cart button and proceed to checkout. Now, let's summarize what we have learned today. Key points given on the detail page. How to use these points to showcase the product. Thank you and happy selling with Amazon Easy.